Good morning. These are Moj Moj Squishies. I think they're like $3.98 at Walmart. These are smaller squishies. There's 2 to a pack. I bought these because I bought their claw machine and I wanted the squishies to fill the claw machine, and I will do another video unboxing their toy claw machine. So like I said, there are 2 squishies in these. I think I got 10 packs. So let's just go ahead and open these. These are smaller squishies. These are called Mochi Squishies because they look a lot like the Japanese candy, sweets, sometimes savory food mochi. And so these are more rubbery than foam squishies. Oh my gosh, definitely more of a rubbery texture. As I flip it over the place, they are adorable. I have been watching a couple videos and reading reviews, and the main complaint is these get dirty very easily. Look, you can already see like dust on it. So they do have an odd rubbery texture, and I can definitely see how dust would stick to them. So they're definitely not like the popular foam squishies, but they're still adorable. So anyway, there's 2 to a pack. I think I know it's been a week or 2 since I bought these. Pretty sure they were like $3.98, so you're basically paying $2 a squishy. And they are small. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? It is a blob. Is that an elephant? I cannot tell what it is. I have no idea what that is. Okay, they do have checklists. Not really. So, what is this? Rubber band. Okay. See, this is the claw machine I bought, and like everything, you're gonna have rare ones. I don't really care about the checklist, but if you care about checklists, there you go. So, next pack. I'm not a completist. I don't care getting them all, so I normally ignore checklists. Oh, and I'm already getting a duplicate. No, not necessarily. Okay, no, I'm not. You can see why they're in these little plastic candy wrappers. So this one is like a little tiger kitten. Yeah, I can see that one's like a bear and that one's like a tiger. And then this is, oh my goodness, this is like a jellyfish, I think. Why am I off centered? Sorry. Is that messing with anyone's equilibrium? You like opening it off to the side? Okay, this is another, I don't know. Are those rabbit ears? But it's got 20 billion feet. I don't know what it's supposed to be. It's like that, whatever that's supposed to be. I don't know. Jellyfish or rabbit. I don't know. I think these originated in Japan, so really don't know what the creature is supposed to be. I was just curious to see if these were interesting. I won't be buying more. They're not my favorite type of squishies, but I just wanted some so my claw machine doesn't look pathetic with like 6 squishies in it. Alright, that's like a little teddy bear. They are cute, but I like slow rising squishies, and these are not slow rising. They're just little rubbery toys essentially. Right. And this is a ducky. Packaging. I do like the triangular packaging. Childproof, adult-proof. Oh, that's a nice bright pink. I like that color. And I drop it. Sorry, I'm just having like a clutchy type of day. And I dropped that. So this is again a rabbit. Maybe look at those long ears. with the opaque type of rubber, it really is hard to see the definitions of the details. And they're definitely just like a soft rubber ball. Definitely not a foam squishy. This is messing with my equilibrium. Let me realign these. Okay. This is another bear, purple bear. Oh my god, I should have brought scissors. I can't get these open. You might need to open these for me. Whatever. Is it like one of those that's easy to tear and I'm just like, yeah, it's easy to tear. I'm making it more difficult than it really is. Okay. So definitely, you know what? Hold on a minute. They do not have a good smell. Definitely a chemical smell. This one's cute. Oh, this one is a cute. Look at that, a hedgehog in a paint flaw already. But look at that cute hedgehog. It is so cute. But that little black paint speck is annoying the heck out of me. Okay. Oh, and I did get a duplicate. First duplicate. Yeah, I mean, there's like over 100 designs and I'm going to get a duplicate. Sure, why not? Story of my life. Duplicate. Here, let me put you next to your twin. There you go. Let's go back to this one. I can't figure out how to open it. How easy that was. Yep, totally adult proof. I should say Jenny proof. Oh, I should start saying Jenny proof. Alright, ooh, a starfish. Look at that. That is cute. Yeah, these are like, this reminds me of like the toys I had as a kid where you throw it against the wall and watch it fall. Don't know why they call these squishies. I would not term this as a squishy. Alright, so these are an orange teddy bear. Right there. Alright, I got 4 more to go. Definitely not my favorite, but you know, I gotta try everything. The packaging is what got me. If it wasn't for this cute packaging, I definitely would have bought them. I've looked at them for a while. I just thought they were hard plastic toys, but then my sister said, no, they're squishies, and then I watched a video, and I'm like, they are squishies. Kinda. Rubber squishies. I don't know what this is. A random fluff ball with eyes. Don't know. And then this is... So, and then if you have kids that have cell phones, like the fad last year was getting these and sticking them to the back of the cell phone, and then that way you could squish them. But then my nieces did it, and then they got dirty so fast, and then you had to peel it off, and then you have sticky residue. It was pretty gross. These just get dirty too fast, so it's just, you can play with it for like a minute, and then it's gross. I do like the opaques. They look like little jellies. I mean, you can see, I can see, like, this should have a warning. I think it does have a warning. It does have a warning. Because, let me tell you, if I was a 1-year-old, I would totally be putting this in my mouth. It looks like a jelly candy. I'm tempted to put it in my mouth and I'm 30, 40, 80 years old. I'm not saying I'm old now. I'm old enough not to put this in my mouth, but still kind of want to, because it looks like a jelly candy. Alright, and this is a cute cat. It's cute. I don't know. You can tell I'm not really that impressed. I'm trying to be like, ooh, these are cool. They're cute. I just got spoiled by regular foam. Oh, regular foam squishies. Okay. Let's start with this one that I just threw. So this is like Olaf. Is this Olaf melted? Is this Olaf melted? course, this isn't Disney, so it shouldn't be Olaf, but it definitely looks like melted Olaf. And this is, oh my god. Poor squished guy. I don't know what happened to him. And I don't know, I mean, is it just me or does this look like a tooth? Does this look like a tooth? I don't know what that is. Last packet. Like I said, the reason I bought these is because I need them to fill the toy claw machine that I'll be showing you later. If you watch my arcade videos, you know I love claw machines. So I had to buy a toy one when I saw it. And here's another one of those. Again, did I mention? There's like over 100. Here, look at the checklist. How many is there? Look at that. Tons. And I'm already on my second tube. Remember, this was it's gone. It's gone. It ran away. Hold on. The fluff ball with eyes. Oh yeah, I got 2. How can I get duplicates? The odds are not with me today. And then I got another pink tooth. So there you go. 3 duplicates out of 10 packs. That's not very good odds. So anyway, these are, what are they called? Moj Moj. Moj Moj. So soft, so cute, so Moj. And they have rare and ultra rare. 2 to a pack for around $4. Cute little artsy packaging, but definitely not something I would repeat. And like I said, all the reviews say they get dirty too quickly. I definitely agree with that. It just looks like they would definitely get dirty. I'm sure you can rinse them off with water, but they're also way too small if you've got young kids. Way too small. Definitely a choking hazard, but they're still cute. And I'm an adult, so I'm not worried about that. But I do have to hide them because I'm sure my cats would love these. Gotta hide them for my cats. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.